Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're the star tonight, shining oh so bright. One more year, one more chance. Write your story.
Happy birthday, Tol Maru. Salamat sa effort sa ating barkada. Enjoy your day. Ikaw, hindi ka pa rin nagbago kahit na mataas na yung narating mo sa buhay. Ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Jing. And then, God bless. I love you, Tol. Mama, chup chup.
Miss namin si...
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Ninang.
Miss ka na po namin.
Miss namin.
Ingat po kayo dyan lagi ni Ninang Jing. Yun.
Ingat po dyan po.
Opo. Tapos, ingat po kayo dyan. Sabi mo.
Ingat po ka dyan.
Wait po namin kayo pag uwi.
Wait kayo. Tuwi.
Ma'am Aslin, happy birthday po.
Patay po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bro. Bro, miss na kita. Miss ka na namin. See you soon. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo is maging healthy ka. And then matupad lahat-lahat pa ng gusto mong mangyari sa life mo. And healthy rin ng si YP, si Jing, and also your family. And yun, miss you. See you soon. And thank you sa kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, still kinukonek mo pa rin yung tropa. And also, thank you for me. Ikaw yung sunshine ng tropa. Happy birthday, bro. Sana hindi ka pa rin magbabago. Love you.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. First of all, I would like to say congratulations sa'yo, Be. Kasi natutupad na yung ibang mga pinagpapray mo kay Lord. And ang saya-saya ng heart ko na nakikita ko na masaya ka, na natupad na yung mga dreams mo. Nakasama mo na si Jing, kasama mo yung family mo. Congratulations, Be. And thank you so much, Be, for making a way na magkaroon pa rin tayo ng bonding. Kahit nandyan ka sa malayo, sa Australia, magawa ka pa rin ng way para magkaroon tayo ng bonding ng tropa. And salamat sa mga pa-party mo. Salamat for sharing your blessings, Be. Thank you so much. And I love you. And I miss you so much, Be. Sana magkita na talaga tayo. And yung soon na yan, sana malapit na. Kasi sobrang miss ka na ng tropa. Namimiss ko na yung halakhakan natin. Sobra. Yung high school life natin, sobrang namimiss ko na. I love you, Be. Happy birthday.
Hey, Tolru. Enjoy your day. Wish ko lang sa'yo ma-achieve pa lahat ng mga pangarap ko sa buhay. And ingat kayo palagi dyan, Jing. I love you and I miss you, Tol. Hi, Ru. Happy birthday. Gusto namin kayo. See you soon. Ingat kayo lahat. Matanda na tayo lalo. So, rami na, pa-40 na tayo. Malapit na. Thank you sa laging pagtulong niyo sa amin ni Jing. Miss na namin kayo ng to. Happy Tol.
Hi, bestie! Happy birthday! Even from across the miles, I just want to let you know that nothing has been changed. You are always in my heart and in my prayer. I'm so grateful for your life. Thanks for always bringing fun, surprises, and sharing your blessings to Tropang Chumpo. Cheers for another year of growth, another year of success, laughter, and everything you deserve. Have a good one. Happy birthday. Love you and God bless you. Mwah.
Thank you all.